You're looking at summer's best dessert, delicious snow-baked chocolate banana split cake. It's fruity, creamy, totally refreshing, and shockingly simple to make. You need to turn on the oven and heat up your kitchen. It's made with natural ingredients and no added sugar. Sweet and light. It's the kind of dessert that disappears fast at summer parties. Definitely love at first bite. No baking. Stick around and I'll show you how to make summer's best dessert, plus a few tips to make it turn out perfect every time. First, we're making the base of the cake. Pour some graham crackers in the blender. Then in a mixing bowl, we will mix the graham cracker crumbs with melted butter. Just enough to hold it together. Press that right into the bottom of an 11x7 baking dish. Then comes the first fruit layer, fresh bananas sliced nice and thin, plus chopped sweet strawberries. Don't forget to spritz your banana slices slightly with lemon juice to prevent them from turning dark. Arrange the bananas and strawberries in a single layer right over the crust. Now let's make the creamy layer. Grab some sugar-free instant chocolate pudding mix and whisk it with cold skim milk. It'll only take a couple of minutes to set. Once it's ready, gently spread it over the banana layer. Next is the tropical surprise. We'll be using canned crushed pineapple. But here's the key. Make sure you drain it really well. You want the flavor without turning the cake soggy. Spread the drained pineapple evenly over the chocolate pudding layer. Just the right amount of tang and moisture to balance out the sweetness. Now it's time for the topping. A layer of creamy whipped topping. You can use sugar-free or light depending on what you prefer. It's best to stabilize the whipped cream first with some stevia powdered sugar replacement to add structure. Then, smooth the stabilized whipped cream right over the pineapple so it's completely covered. Top your chocolate banana split cake with fresh sliced strawberries. The red on white looks beautiful and adds that final juicy pop. If you want to get extra fancy, you could even drizzle a little sugar-free chocolate syrup, add some red maraschino cherries, or sprinkle the cake with chopped nuts before serving. Once it's all layered up, pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Or overnight, if you can wait. When you pull out the cake and cut into it, soft, sweet, creamy, and full of summer flavor. No one will believe it's sugar-free and healthy. If you're trying to cut on sugar or just want a lighter way to enjoy dessert, this no-bake sugar-free chocolate banana split cake checks all the boxes. It's easy to make, crowd-pleasing, and a total fridge staple during hot summer months. Perfect dessert, potlucks, or any kind of celebration. If this sounds like your kind of recipe, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, feel-good treats. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Enjoy!